Hello everybody, my name is Clint Hughes from MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'm going to walk you through the NauticStar 203 DC. We'll start at the back of the boat here. This one's equipped with a 150 Yamaha engine. On the back platform you have gray sea deck, which is nice on your feet. This one has a ski pole equipped with it. And also, for rinsing off, there's a freshwater wash down with a nozzle here that comes out. Easy access. As we make our way into the cockpit area, there's plenty of rear seating on this boat with storage underneath. We make our way forward here. We have the captain's chair. We got Simrad chart plotter, all your analog gauges, Fusion stereo system, excellent sound on this boat. As we make our way over here to the port side, we have a sink with freshwater wash down rinse that comes out, cup holders, cooler, another speaker. And as we make our way to the bow here, in floor we have a huge ski locker, tons of storage down there, and it goes all the way back. This particular boat has snap-in carpet, which is nice on your feet. Then over here, under both port and starboard seats, we have storage, which you can use as ice box or life jackets or whatever you'd like. And as we move to the bow here, we have a nice pedestal seat if you want to do some fishing. There's also a trolling motor plug up front here, as well as your bow anchor locker, and then a bow ladder for easy access getting on and off the boat if you're pulled up to an island. That basically concludes the 203 dual console NauticStar. If you want to come see it in person and see more details on it, come down to MarineMax Clearwater. And again, my name is Clint Hughes.